Wilson was found on the streets of South Los Angeles when he was about 6 weeks old. He was taken to a shelter, weak and struggling to breathe. Very quickly, it became clear something was wrong. Wilson couldn't breathe through his nose at all. To get air, he learned to keep his mouth open using toys just to create a way to breathe. A previous injury had caused an abscess on his nose. Scar tissue had formed, blocking his nasal passages almost completely. Natalia took Wilson home and started looking for answers. Specialists examined him and realized this wasn't a simple case. But instead of stopping there, they kept pushing. They contacted surgeons around the world, asking if anyone had seen something like this before. Eventually, they heard back from a surgeon in New Zealand. Together, they came up with a plan. Small tubes were placed inside Wilson's nose. Held in place with buttons on top. He would live with them for 10 weeks.
Tube. There's one.
The goal was for scar tissue to form around the tubes, creating a new nasal passage on its own. When the tubes were removed, the plan worked. For the first time in his life, Wilson could breathe through his nose. That's also when Natalia realized something else. Wilson wasn't just breathing, he was smelling. He stopped at everything: the ground, the air, other animals. They had been so focused on his breathing that they hadn't realized he had never been able to smell before. Around this time, the family was fostering a cat. Wilson bonded with her immediately. He was calm, gentle, and patient. They continued fostering, setting up gates so kittens could choose when they wanted to interact. And every time the same thing happened, the kittens climbed all over Wilson. They slept against him. They followed him everywhere. Wilson never pushed them away. Later, the family adopted a blind cat. From the beginning, she trusted Wilson. Now, wherever Wilson goes, she follows. She feels safe with him. Veterinarians often describe Wilson as a unicorn. Many animals who go through years of medical treatment become guarded or reactive. Wilson didn't, without trying, he helped the kittens learn how to feel safe. They grew into confident, social cats. After adoption, many families reached out with the same message. Their kittens adjusted easily. They weren't afraid. They trusted people. Natalia believes Wilson played a big part in that. He didn't teach by force. He just stayed still long enough for others to come forward. Today, Wilson does normal things. He goes to the park. He walks beside animals who trust him completely. Not because he demands it, but because he's shown them quietly that they're safe